Hello, classmates. Today, let's complete the design of the home page of the e-commerce app together. In the previous course study, we completed the prototype design of this page and determined the size and overall layout of this interface. Next, we will further refine each module to complete the interface design of the home page. The first step is to create a new blank canvas with a size of 1125 multiplied by 3157 pixels in Adobe Photoshop software. The second step is to import the originally designed mobile phone status bar into Adobe Photoshop and adjust it to the topmost position. The third step, create a new blank layer. Then click the rounded rectangle tool. Set the length, width, and corner radius parameters of the rectangle. Draw a rounded rectangle, adjust the position of the rectangle, and fill the rectangle with blue. Then use the rounded rectangle tool to design the search box. Adjust it to an appropriate position and import the designed search icon. Add text to the search box. Design the QR code scanning and shopping cart icons on the right side of the search box. The fourth step is to import the prepared banner image and adjust it to an appropriate position. The fifth step is to import the decorative icons of the navigation bar into Adobe Photoshop. Adjust the positions of the icons and output the corresponding text below each icon. Finally, complete the layout of the icons and text. The sixth step is to import the designed direct marketing poster and adjust it to an appropriate position. The seventh step, use the rounded rectangle tool to design a rectangular frame. Fill the rectangular frame with a gradient color. Design the countdown for the limited time flash sale. Then import the flash sale products and mark the prices of the products. Finally, use the same design method to complete the design of the weekly ranking section. The eighth step is to design the recommended for you section. First, design two rounded rectangular frames, one large and one small. Fill the small rectangular frame with gray. Add the product introduction and the product price below the gray frame. Then import the product image and place it in the area of the gray rectangular frame. To complete the design of the recommended product frame on the left side. Finally, copy the recommended product frame on the left side to the right side. To complete the design of the entire recommended section. The ninth step is to design a rectangular frame and fill it with light gray. Import the design navigation bar icons. Adjust the position of each icon. And add text descriptions below the icons. Well, the home page of this e-commerce app is now designed. This page displays footwear products. Based on the prototype, use AI software to design the pages of modules such as search bar advertisements and content display to design modules. First, we open the Adobe Illustrator software. This is the first step. Create a new blank artboard with a size of 1125 multiplied by 3200. Import the circular diagram into the software and adjust the position of the prototype diagram. The second step, select the rounded rectangle tool with the shortcut key W. Draw a rounded rectangle with a size of 750 multiplied by 100 and place it at the position of the search box. Adjust the size of the rounded corners and add prompt text to the search box. The third step, draw a rounded rectangle with a size of 1025 multiplied by 400. Adjust the size of the rounded corners, import the designed banner image. Adjust the position of the image, and create a clipping mask according to the rounded rectangle. The fourth step, import the picture of the shoe category and adjust it to an appropriate position. Then use the rounded rectangle tool to draw a category display frame. Hold down Alt and click the left mouse button to copy one. And then press Ctrl+D to quickly copy 3 more. Finally, draw the text box for the product description. The fifth step. First, draw a rectangular frame with a size of 1025 multiplied by 225 pixels, and adjust the size of their rounded corners. Import the poster. Create a clipping mask according to the rounded rectangle. Input the text, and adjust the font and size. Then draw a rounded rectangle with a size of 900 multiplied by 400 and adjust the size and position of the rounded corners. Copy 3 identical rounded rectangles below the rectangle. Input the text, ranking on the left side of each rectangular frame. Import the shoe pictures in the middle of the rectangular frame and adjust the size and position. Mark the name and price of the shoe style on the right side. After finishing, hold down Shift and use the selection tool to select multiple elements and then copy them. Finally, draw a rounded rectangle with a size of 1025 multiplied by 50. Fill it with blue and input View More and an arrow symbol. The sixth step. Input the text. Create the text design for the popular shoes. Draw a rectangular frame and adjust the size of the rounded corners. Import the display image and adjust the position of the image. Set the price and sales volume of the product below the image. According to the layout requirements of the prototype diagram, design the display of the remaining products. The seventh step. Import the icons and text of the bottom navigation bar, and adjust the icons and text to appropriate positions. The eighth step. Design a rectangular frame with a size of 1125 multiplied by 600 and fill it with blue. Hold down Shift and click the 2 rounded corner buttons below to drag these 2 rounded corners individually. Use Ctrl plus the bracket keys to adjust the up and down positions of the layers. Then design a rectangle with a size of 1060 multiplied by 1540 below, and add a gradient color to the rectangle. Then create a rectangular frame with a size of 1060 multiplied by 1265 and add a gradient color to it. Then create a gray rectangular frame with a size of 1025 multiplied by 3010 and place it at the bottom of the page. The ninth step. Finally, insert a designed location icon in the upper left corner. Adjust the position of the icon and add text. Well, this subpage of the e-commerce shoe and clothing category is now designed. Goodbye, classmates.